Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this occasion, I will share how to use the projected curve feature in SolidWorks. This feature is used to create a 3D curve by projecting two sketches into a surface or 3D space. It is often used creating path or sweep of loads, making complex geometry on 3D surfaces, designing pipes, cable, or feature with complicated curves. Let's get started. We create a curved surface. For example, let's we make a half circle. Click on the front plane. Right click and click sketch. Uh, Choose the circle. This. And then set its diameter. For example, set its diameter to 20 millimeter, like this, and draw a line through the center of the circle, like this. Then delete the bottom half of the circle to leave a half circle, like this. Next, give the half of circle with the feature extrude boss, like this, and text, and direction I choose the mid plane for example, and the thickness for example maybe it 20 millimeter, like this, and click OK. After that, select on the top plane and right click sketch the top plane to create a new sketch. As an example, I'm using a spline to draw the line. I choose the spline, like this, to draw the line or shape we want, like this, and take maybe a spline like this, and click OK. Yeah, we want to move this sketch, the spline, onto the curved surface. It's easy by using the projected curve feature. Go to on feature, on feature tab, and click the curve, and select the project curve, like this, and ensure you choose the sketch on fence on selection of type projection, and for face uh, we select this curve, like this. Okay, and there's gonna spline and there's a curve, and a new yellow line will appear on this curve, like this, and click OK. And the sketch or spline we made on the flat plane will move the curved surface easily and quickly. We can also create a path or cut following the spline we made by using sweep cut. Uh, Choose sweep cut, like this, and for profile and path, select the circular profile. For diameter, we change to be 1 millimeter, and click OK. And the path from the sweep cut is created. We can hide the lines also or spline, and we can change the color. For example, for both extrude one, we change the color to be yellow color, and the sweep cut, you can change the color to white color, like this. Okay, it's simple how to use the projected curve in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful. If there are any mistake in my explanation, and synchronously appliance. Thank you very much.